The verb to be in German is sein. In previous lessons, you learned how to say I am, ich bin, you are, du bist, he is, er ist, she is, sie ist, it is, es ist, that is, das ist, we are, wir sind, you are, ihr seid, and now we are going to learn how to ask the question, are you, with the plural informal you. Remember, the plural informal is when you address two or more people that you know well, such as your friends. Okay, so the informal plural you is ihr, as you learned in the last lesson. So you is ihr. You are would be ihr seid. That would be the statement. Ihr seid. You are. You are. Ihr seid. And now we want to ask the question. Remember, it's a simple matter of placing the verb first and then the subject pronoun after it. So the question would be, seid ihr? Seid ihr? Are you? Seid ihr? Are you? Are you? Seid ihr? Are you? Seid ihr? Are you? Seid ihr? Let's review and apply what you learned. To be, sein. Are you? Seid ihr? Nice, nett, friendly, freundlich, brave, mutig, funny, komisch, happy, FROH. So now if you want to ask the question, are you nice? It would be, seid ihr nett? Seid ihr nett? Are you friendly? Seid ihr freundlich? Are you brave? Seid ihr mutig? Are you funny? Seid ihr komisch? And finally, are you happy? Seid ihr froh? That's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.